Okay, well, a lot has gone on. Let's listen to the project first as it is. We added a new section here. But check out the top. I added these markers. Those will help organize our piece. Here comes the new section. The break. Well, all this took a lot of time. As you can see in my super high-speed editing, this is just a portion of one of my editing sessions. It definitely took several hours to take care of all this. And these are the type of edits that you'll be working on in class, trying new things out, testing, and seeing what works. It's all about trial and error in this portion of the project, where really we're trying to exercise your creativity by just trying new ideas. First thing I did was just try to organize the piece with markers. Click the global tracks in the left here and make sure markers is the only thing that's showing. So we'll right click inside this area and we'll uncheck anything that isn't the marker. There we go, our markers are set. To add a marker, click the plus sign and you're able to label the marker. The marker will appear wherever the counter is. To change the color, go to View, Show Colors. Next thing I did was set up 4 sharp crash symbols to set up that break. Basically, I just went to the loops and searched for another crash symbol and brought it in and used my grid to line it up, and I resized it just to make it nice, short, and sharp. These hits really add to the beat. Check it out. I brought up my EQ here. Watch how it makes a difference here. Drop the lows. Yeah, something like that. Make sure you explore those sounds in the EQ. It's always important to test your track against the other tracks one by one. Okay, well now I wanted to really create the music for the break. So I created a cycle region, and then I'm going to go to repeat section and repeat the section several times. Copy it and just drag it over to the right. And this is my source material that I'll be working from for my break. Let's see, I think I'll start off with some strings, and I'll bring the delay bang in. Okay, well, a lot of work has to go into building this break, and you'll see I'm in high speed now doing my editing again. Check out the lead melody in the intro. Use the ES2 sweeper. Now let's listen to the melody in the break. I'm using Alchemy. It's different. It definitely creates a different vibe for that section of the project. But wait, the melody is slightly different in the break. What I did was I copied it over from the intro, but then just deleted some of the notes, just so that I was hinting at that melody. Next thing I wanted to do was make sure I just automated this intro with the strings at the break. So my sweep and my strings are kind of coming in gradually. There's my melody. Everything's coming in gradually, one part at a time. Did you hear the beats come in? Okay, let's listen to this bass part now in the intro. Okay, let's check it out in the break. I basically just took the source material and cut it up. Left some of my bass notes out. Remember that the command to cut one of these sequences is Command T once you have it selected. And then I moved it over, resized it to the grid, and created a cool bass part.